this today.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As always, if this is your first time stopping in, please like the video and also hit that bell notification when you subscribe, because apparently that's all that matters in YouTube space now, that you got to hit that bell. Right now we're on our way over to Ryan Scott's house. Check out the PureFunction Garage. There's a bunch of people over there, so I'll head over. It's about a 20-25 minute drive. So I figured, why not get the bike out? First day really here in spring. Well, first day in spring that it's nice out, that I can get the bike out. It's about 70 degrees out. Hopefully this mic is working a little bit better this year. Last year we had a little bit of an issue with it, so hopefully we squared that out. But without further ado, let's head on over to Ron's house. Had questions about the bike itself. This is a 2007 Yamaha R6. It has the basic bolt-ons, race filter, exhaust, full exhaust system on it, and also it's running a Power Commander 5, I believe, the newest one that's out, and the it's got an uploaded map on it. No dyno tune yet, and a little bit of race gas, not too much, just a little bit, to give it a little bit more juice. So that's kind of like my setup on my 2007 Yamaha R6. Nothing too crazy, but crazy enough that it's enjoyable, that's for sure. That guy, I think he gave it a thumbs up. He was looking hard enough, that's for sure. This bike gets a lot of looks, not because it looks good, because it does, but it's pretty loud. That little kid. I tell you what, I love to make a little kid smile. It's probably my happiest thing while being on a bike, because I remember being a little kid and seeing bikes and nice cars going by, and I always wanted to ride in one or check them out. Down here through town, it just sounds so loud with this exhaust system. It's a good looking bike, but it's also very loud. If you guys are asking about the bike and you're new to the channel, I've had it for about 3-4 years now. Oh no, probably longer than that now, to be honest with you. I moved to Virginia 4 or 5 years ago, so 5 years. So I've had it 5 years. Before, the bike was owned by NYPD police officer up in New York, and my friend and I, Brian Mitchell, we drove to New York and picked it up. It's been great ever since. This is my third bike. Look at this thing coming here. That thing's badass. Yeah, give that guy a thumbs up. That's nice. That's nice. Hell yeah. Little rat rod. I love them cars, but I gripe about them cars, and you guys know why? Because they're legal. But the R34 is still not legal, but you can have a rat rod on the road. That's what really bothers me. Comment down below if you guys agree with me. But seriously, you can have a rat rod that's like basically from scratch, and they're well built, don't get me wrong, but come on. The R34, well built from Japan, but still, I understand, you know, DOT regulations and everything else with customs, but come on. Like, that's a little ridiculous. It's 2018, let's get that shit legalized. to see who's all over at the PureFunction Garage. Yeah, another guy out riding. Such a nice day out, guys. 70 degrees. Couldn't ask for a better Saturday, that's for sure. I think Ryan's gonna be a little surprised I didn't tell him I was coming over, so he's not expecting me. Hopefully he's still there. He should be. 75-40. He'll hear me before he sees me. Look at these guys. A bunch of vloggers over here. I heard all the noise. What's up, guys? Here at Ryan Scott's house. Currently there's a huge party behind us. We got a little bit of everybody here. My bike, Colt's brand new Titan. Got an Eclipse, old school. 2 bag Beamers over here in the corner. And one Subaru WRX STI, I believe. A little bit of a party. Without further ado, let's check out the cars. Goes brand new Titan, baby. What is it?
PS2, PlayStation 2 down here mounted.
Oh my.
Bo. Alright, people, check this shit out. That mother still got a PS2. We got a flip up DVD screen in this mother. We got a carbon fiber shift knob.
2000, baby.
Look at that. I can. This car is this is like straight up 2001 Nopi Nationals on point.
You see beautiful cars? Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the Mother's Polished Car Show series here on ESPN2. And welcome to the largest import car show in the world. This is the Nopi Nationals Super Show. And I want to tell you, it is absolutely incredible. There are 6,000 cars here from all over the United States, and they all have one thing in common. They're import cars. Take a look right here at Jimi Hendrix 1995 Toyota Twin Turbo. Oh, you'll never see another one like this. It's custom throughout. And yes, I said Jimi Hendrix. No, he doesn't play guitar, but I'll tell you what, he has a real talent on how to make a very beautiful car.
Like West Coast custom style.
West Coast custom style. Like, it's all-wheel drive too. GSX.
Why he's trying to break it?
No, I got my clutch. I got my foot down the clutch. I'm surprised how close everything is. Like, the transmission doesn't feel notchy, it just feels smooth still.
It's got a different clutch in it, so.
No, I mean the clutch won't affect that.
Yeah, I'm just saying, yeah.
Your seat though.
I love that keystone.
Why is it?
He's holding the keystone and trying to
It does
shift.
that all the time.
Is that normal?
Yeah.
That's how it did from the factory.
Yeah, because power seat, it'll go up and down, just like.
Oh wow, wow! Yours does power up, down, like
Up,
wow.
down,
Yeah, my car
back.
didn't even do
Like,
that.
it's
My
like-
Super doesn't even do that.
30 different fucking directions.
Good God!
how you leave.
Apparently, he's doing a burnout from the house.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Well, you wanted it. The neighbor, she was out watching the whole thing. Oh, you ready?
We got bumpy here. About to turn the bike on.
Loud as hell. It's gonna be cold as hell too. What's up?
Good. What is it?
R6.
R6.
Yeah.
How new is that?
07?
7?
Yeah.
Shit.
I keep it pretty clean.
Yeah, I guess you do. Good job.
It's a little dirty from storage, but
No, you keep it pretty nice, man.
thank you.
Excellent. Excellent job.
You right?
Yeah.
Mike, nice to meet you.
Yeah, mostly cruisers, but
Yeah. No, I figured 70 degrees, I might as well get it out a little bit. So, but
that's a good day for me.
yeah. Nice talking with you. Thank you. Thank you. As you can see, that guy was pretty cool. Came up here and wanted to talk about the bike and go over it a little bit. So always nice to talk with people in the biker community. He rode Harleys, I ride a crotch rocket, so it's always nice to come together and talk about the same subject you both love to do on your free time. Oh boy, we got a Mustang beside us. Hopefully it doesn't hit me. No Mustangs. Bet you he tries to race me. Oh, would you look at that?
number 2 qualifier, 812. J.F. Kelly, number 10, 834. Who will advance to the semifinals of Flight Scout? Are you kidding me? But Ramey, could he go for the record? Top end? Yes, he did it! 799, but he redlined it! headlighted. Are you kidding me? Wow. So wow, unbelievable. Sean Ramey goes $7.99 and he's going home.
Alright guys, that will do it for this video. As always, if this is your first time stopping in, please like the video. Also hit the bell notification when you subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Other than that, have a great day, and we'll see you around. Peace.